Hi everybody, I'm Lisa. We're just doing a quick demo of our soldering station for our grade 7 exploration days for our instructors that need to learn how to teach this. We will have a cheat sheet there for you as well, and this is, looks like Dawn's doing a video of all of the items you will need, which we will also have on our cheat sheet.
Yeah.
Okay, so the first piece we have, we're going to have the kids measure about 1.5 inches. It doesn't have to be exact, but that would give us enough so that we have enough for all the kids. So you could have them take out their pen, measure about 1.5 inches, and draw their little mark on there if they would like to be fairly accurate. Next thing you're going to do is you're going to take our cutting tool and you're just going to tighten that onto your piece of copper. And you're going to spin this around until it cuts your copper. I think we need to get that tighter. All right. So at this point, we need to clean and deburr the inside of your piece of copper. So you can just take the sharp end of your tool. And then we've got a couple of options here that they can also use to get away, make that inside surface smooth. As well on the outside surface. You can use the emery paper or sandpaper to do that afterwards as well. And then you're also going to do that with your other piece of copper pipe that you're going to use to attach it. So you can do the inside and outside surface of that. And they can use the sandpaper. You can also use that once it's on here to smooth it. Okay, now I'm going to take this one off. Thank you. You can put that copper pipe in there. Okay, this is where you could use your sandpaper and just sand off the outside a little bit more if you want, just to make sure it's smooth. That'll help your flux and get in there so that you can have a better attachment once you use your solder. Okay, so the next part we want to do is add a little bit of flux to our attachment points. I'm just going to paint that on around the outside and on the inside of this one where they're going to go together. Okay, then you can stick that on there. It should slide right on.
How far does it need to slide on?
I don't know that it matters too much.
Until it stops at the joint.
Yeah, there you go, until it stops at the joint.
Stops at the joint. Okay.
Okay, now we're going to take our solder. You can see this one, we've put a hook on there. This is to help so that when you put this on there, it's a little bit easier to use around the edge, so you can be able to go under and over. If you've got a hook, that's a little bit easier. I would make sure that you don't have your feet underneath. As kids are, when they're learning this, they can drip the solder a little bit. We will have a bucket under there to catch any drips, but you want to make sure you're standing aside. This is your torch, so you're going to use then to heat up your joint here. So what we're going to do is we're going to heat this up till it's quite hot. This could change color or start to smoke. Once it's hot enough, we'll remove the flame and then we'll add our solder on there to start to melt on. Okay? Take your solder here and just do a little test. You can see it's dripping right on there.